Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The difference between circumference and diameter of a circular plot is 97 meter. Find area of the circular plot. Now we are given pi d minus d is equal to 97 meters, where d is diameter. If we take d common, we get pi minus 1 equal to 97 meter, and we get diameter as 97 divided by pi minus 1 meters. If we simplify this, we get 97 divided by 22 by 7 minus 1, which is equal to 97 divided by, if we take LCM in the denominator, we are left with 15 by 7, and this 7 from denominator will go in the numerator multiplied by 7. So this is the diameter. We know area can be found out by pi d square by 4. So we have 22 by 7 into 1 by 4 into d square is 97 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 97 multiplied by 7 whole divided by 15 multiplied by 15. Now this 7 will cancel out. This will be 11, this will be 2, and we are left with, let's see, area equal to 97 square multiplied by 77 whole divided by 450. 97 square using a minus b whole square formula will be 100 minus 3 whole square, which is equal to 100 square plus 3 square, which is 10,009, minus 100 into 3 is 300, 300 into 2 is 600, minus 600, which is equal to 9409. So we are left with 9409 multiplied by 77 whole divided by 450. Now instead of 450, I will write 45, and this will be 7.7. So let's find out what's the multiplication of 9409 multiplied by 7.7. It's 9 sevens are 63, 9 fours are 28, 9 sevens are 63 plus 2 is 65. So this is 65863, 3, 9, 6 plus 8 is 14, 9 plus 5 is 14, 6 plus 6 is 12, 7, 2, 4, 4, 9, 3, and decimal point will be over here. So area is, let's see, 72449.3 divided by 45. Let's divide both numerator and denominator by 3. So we have 15 3s are 45, and let's see, 3 2s are 6, 1 remains, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 1 remains, 1 4, 3 4s are 12, 2 remains, 3 9s are 27, decimal point, 2 remains, 23, meaning 3 7s are 21, and 2 remains, and this will be recurring 6 after this. So let's see, we are left with 24149.76 divided by 15 meter square, and if we simplify this, we get, let me remove this, yes, we get the dividing, we get 15 ones are 15, 9 is remaining, so 91, 15 6 are 90, 1 is remaining, 1 4, so 15 zeros are 149, so 15 nines are 135, 149 minus 135 is 14, so 147, we get decimal point here, 15 nines are 135 again, so this will be 12, 126, 15 eights are 120, we are left with 6, and 6 0 15 4s are 60, so we are left with 1609.984 meter square. So required area of circle is equal to 1609.984 meter square. This is the answer.